How to turn off two-factor authentication on Roblox. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So go to the main page of Roblox, click on the settings icon right here, the gear icon, and select settings. Now from here, we want to go to the security tab, and I'm going to explain how this works. So basically, two-step verification, you have three ways of verifying. So depending on which one you have enabled, so one way is through authenticator apps. So that is like Google, Microsoft Authenticator. The other way is through email. So you will get a code on your email, and then you have to type the code to authenticate. And hardware security keys, you use hardware keys as an extra layer of protection. So depending on which one you have enabled right here, basically you just want to disable it. You click right here, it will ask you to verify once more that it's actually you. So for example, right here, it will tell you to go through the Authenticator app. Here it will send you an email, and here you gotta type the key combination. So depending on which one you have enabled right here, or if you have multiple, you just want to click on it, confirm that it's actually you, and then it might also ask you for your PIN if you have a Roblox PIN setup, and then you can turn this off, and that's how you turn off your two-factor authentication on Roblox. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.